Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the picture frame works in Grow a Garden 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if you want to get a picture frame, you need to go to this prop shop, and then you're going to buy the picture frame crate from here, and it costs 350k shekels. You can purchase it, and then you can go to your garden and open up the crate, and you will get either the small one or the big one or the mega one. And after you get the picture frame, you can go to the build menu, and you're going to select build, select the picture frame, and you can place anywhere that you want. I'm going to place it here, and then you can edit the image ID, and this is the ID that I got. They say that this code or this ID will give gentle picture. Okay, let's just try it. Oh yeah, that's so cool. So guys, if you want to get a picture, you need to enter an ID or a code. And after this, I will make a tutorial, the funny picture ID or picture code. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel to get more funny ID. Okay guys, and that's how the picture frame works in Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!